I'm back. I have kind of a different video for you today. I don't think I've really ever done a review video, especially on a piece of clothing. But I'm wearing a really cool new t-shirt that I got, and I wanted to tell you guys about it, and I'll do that in just 1 minute. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, t-shirt review, welcome. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a review video, and I've never done a review on clothing before, but I wanted to share my thoughts with you guys on this t-shirt that I'm wearing. And I hope I don't massacre the name because this t-shirt is awesome. And this t-shirt is made by Noel Asmar Equestrian. I got this t-shirt from writingwarehouse.com. They sent it to me with a box of some different things. So I thought it would be fun to do a review on this shirt for you guys, just in case it was something that you might consider purchasing in the future. And I'd never heard of Noel Asmar Equestrian, so I went and looked them up online, and they have a lot of different equestrian apparel. Hunters, jumpers, some more English riding style, but they have some really, really nice clothing. They have some really cool clothes just in general. And when I pulled the t-shirt out of the bag, I was a little concerned because it's an extra large, and I was like, oh, I hope that's gonna be big enough. But it is, it fits really nice. And I wanted to give you an honest review, so I have worn this a little bit, and I really wanted to share with you guys my honest thoughts and opinions of the shirt, because the shirt is not inexpensive. It is $68 on Writing Warehouse's website, but it's a great t-shirt. The material is 100% polyester, but this is not the polyester of the 1970s leisure suits. So if you're wearing it during riding, it's not gonna ride up. The sleeves are long, and it's kind of like a sun shirt because it has 50 UPF sun protection to protect you against the sun. And it is becoming springtime, almost hopefully summertime soon. We'll be out riding more, and we'll be protected from the sun while we're riding if you're wearing this shirt. The shirt is really comfortable. It doesn't have wrinkles, it doesn't show wrinkles, and it's just overall, it's a really, really nice shirt. I wore it to my riding lesson last week, and I was really impressed with the fabric itself. I tend to sweat a lot, especially when I'm in a riding lesson and my instructor's watching me and I'm nervous. I didn't sweat at all in this shirt. It was great. And it's really easy to care for. You do wash it in cold water, and then you just hang it up to dry. And I washed it and hung it up to dry, and it was dry in like 15 minutes, which was amazing. So you could wear it to your riding lesson, come home, throw it in the washer, and then if you wanted to wear it the next day, you'd be good to go again. The material is soft, and the stitching is really cool too. I don't know if you can see the stitching on it, but that's pretty neat. It seems pretty sturdy. I've washed it twice, and it didn't shrink at all. That's probably because I followed the instructions on the label. There's no tag, so it won't itch your neck, which is awesome. And I think I can say this will be my new favorite shirt to wear to my riding lessons and being outside. And even though this shirt is a little more expensive than I would typically spend for a shirt to wear to the barn, riding lessons, things like that, it is so comfortable, and I really like it, so I think I will probably end up buying at least one more. They come in a lot of different colors. This is the plum, which I really liked. I think Writing Warehouse knows that I like purple, so they sent me the plum color. And I wish you could feel it. It's so soft. And I don't know why, but I really like the lettering down the arm. It just looks cool. I like it. I like it a lot. This shirt is very flattering, and I feel comfortable in it. I feel comfortable in it enough to do a video on it to share with you guys. So I like it. I'm pretty impressed with this Noel Asmar Equestrian t-shirt. So this is the long sleeve t-shirt. They also have short sleeve tees. They have shirts for like that go under your show jackets. Tons and tons of different shirts, breeches, show jackets, pretty much anything hunter jumper equestrian related, they've got it. They've got some really nice stuff. But if the rest of the stuff is like this t-shirt, it's got to be really good quality. So if I found something that I really liked, I might wait and see if they have a sale, and then I probably would end up buying it because this thing is awesome. I know that's not the type of video that I usually do, but I really just wanted to say thank you to Writing Warehouse for sending me this really cool shirt, and I wanted to share it with you guys and tell you what I thought about it, especially because it's just really neat and I really wanted to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all my other horse related videos. Again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.